Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Snapchat support code ss06. Snapchat support code indicates a temporary ban on your device due to suspicious activity, often related to repeated login attempts or other violations of Snapchat's community guidelines. To fix this, try waiting 30 to 20 minutes at least, and then try logging in again with the correct password. If that doesn't work, consider switching your internet connection, e.g. from Wi-Fi to cellular data, or clearing the Snapchat app's cache. So go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, hit general, iPhone storage, right, and try to pin down Snapchat from here. So I'm gonna click Snapchat, offload the app, and double click to basically release some of the unnecessary data within the app. Okay, if the issue persists, update the Snapchat app. So go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and try to pin down Snapchat right here. Okay, and if necessary, reinstall it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.